Hey, it's Justin, and if you want to make your very first ClickBank commission online today, then make sure to watch every second of this presentation. Because if you've never had that feeling before, you're in for a surprise. There's no bigger rush online than landing your very first ClickBank sale. When you see that first cash deposit sitting in your account, it changes everything. Why? Because if you can generate one sale, you can generate dozens, hundreds, maybe even thousands. And it's possible for you to do that each and every month practically on demand. So keep watching. In this short video, we're going to share with you how thousands of people are using ClickBank to live the dream of an automated side income or a full-time income and doing it 24/7, and how you can join them as soon as this afternoon. We'll do that by handing you the only blueprint for ClickBank success created by ClickBank themselves. Hi, my name is Justin Atlin. I'm head of ClickBank University faculty. My business partner Adam and I were actually some of the first people to make it really big with ClickBank by bringing in over millions of dollars in sales of our own products and affiliate commissions in record time. In fact, one of our products generated $1 million in just 1 week. And I'd like to introduce you to Milana Kalimulova. She's the head of product and user experience at ClickBank University.
It was years ago Justin invited me to join ClickBank on their mission to help 1 million people just like you achieve their financial dreams. How? Using ClickBank, of course. You see, every single day we help show people the way to their very first ClickBank sale. And the men and women we help along their journey come from all walks of life, but they have one thing in common. When they get that very first ClickBank commission, they get so excited. For instance, Ryan made sales in his very first week. Austin knows it feels awesome to make that first ClickBank sale. And check out Zach, who's really starting to get some momentum. Believe me, when you see that first commission in your own ClickBank account, it gives you the confidence to go on and make so much more. Over the past 10 years, ClickBank has sold over 300 million digital products and created wealth for more than 100,000 people. Now, we want to make it easier than ever before for people just like you to make the extra income that you deserve. People right now on ClickBank are reaching their financial goals, whether that means bringing home a few hundred extra dollars in their spare time, generating a job-replacing income so they never have to show up for anything or work for anyone ever again, or swinging for the fences and generating 6- and 7-figure months and years. In the next 3 minutes, Justin and I are going to reveal how we can help you generate ClickBank commissions every month like clockwork. Many of our clients at ClickBank University tried and failed at things like SEO, Facebook ads, network marketing, writing articles for pennies, yet things could have been so different for them. What they were missing was a helping hand, a guide along the path to that first life-changing sale or commission.
So if you want to do things the right way, where do you start? Take it from me, the flat-out simplest way is with the platform, the tools, and the training of the internet's most trusted retailer of digital products, ClickBank. ClickBank enabled Melanie to live her dream. Traveling the world with her husband, Melanie has no boss to report to, no job tying her down. She enjoys a freedom most of us can only dream about. Yet it's all because she uses ClickBank to sell her digital product on meditation. With ClickBank, many of her sales and income are automated, paid into her bank account every 2 weeks without fail. And then there's Ron. Ron quit his job and painful 50-hour work weeks to put his homemade digital cookbook on the ClickBank platform. Over time, he's generated $1 million in sales from his cookbooks. These are just simple PDFs digitally delivered. The entire sales process is actually taken care by ClickBank. And it's not just creating products that are making our clients money. In fact, we have dozens of clients that bring in the high 5 figures per month simply by sending people to offers that aren't even theirs. Some of them are making even 7 figures per month. Think about that. You don't need a product to bring in serious money. In fact, I started making money using ClickBank without a product or even a website. And if you're thinking, yeah, that's okay for those guys, Justin, but how do I get started when I have no expertise, no tech skills, and no clue? Well, let me tell you, it wasn't too long ago that I was right where you are right now. Just looking for an easy way to make that first little chunk of cash online. And thank goodness for ClickBank, it was a total game changer for me when I found them. You see, back then, I was ecstatic to discover ClickBank had done away with the middleman. What that means is you don't even need a product to get earning right away. You don't need a website either. And you definitely don't need to understand any fancy technology. I was able to generate serious income simply by pointing people to various ClickBank offers. That's right, ClickBank can do much of the hard work for you. I used YouTube to direct people to an offer, and bam, commissions after commissions appeared in my ClickBank account. At the time, it felt like magic. I got so excited. This strategy made me enough money to move out of my parents' house and get my own place in Los Angeles. Now, times have changed a little, and there are other, better, and actually even simpler ways to do this. And that's exactly what we teach inside of ClickBank University. Using the ClickBank platform, I then began to create my own products, and over the next couple of years, well, my income exploded. That's actually what led my business partner Adam and I to being named 2 of the top 100 young entrepreneurs in the USA and getting flown out to the White House, all at the age of just 19. We even got this letter written and personally signed by the president at the time, Barack Obama, thanking us for our contribution to the USA. So after visiting, actually got this cool letter from the White House. And in it, 2 things. One's Barack Obama signed photo, and then also this letter, which is pretty cool, that says, thanks for meeting with members of my administration. Youth engagement is vital to maintaining a vibrant democracy, and I appreciate you sharing your insights. And signed by a personal signature by Barack Obama too. So this was a pretty cool experience. Now, you may be worried about the price of this program, thinking it's probably a little bit out of reach. After all, you can't expect to build a sustainable online business for anything less than thousands of dollars, right? Well, the good news is you're not going to have to invest thousands of dollars. You're not even going to have to invest hundreds of dollars. Here at ClickBank University 2.0, it's our wish to provide you a can't-fail blueprint for creating an income online. And we want to make it affordable for everyone. Remember, we want to inspire and create 1 million successful ClickBank entrepreneurs. Because of that, we've put together a very special deal for you. Click the button below right now and you can get access for just $47. That's a drop in a bucket for the potential income this training can generate for you. And there's no risk either. Everything is backed up by ClickBank's very own ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. You have a full 30 days to go through the training and implement. And if any time before those 30 days, you're not thrilled with the cold, hard cash results that appear when you put together your ClickBank campaigns, then you're entitled to a full, no questions asked refund. If you're not over the moon at what this all means for your income, your future wealth, and the higher standard of living for you and those around you, you're entitled to a full, no questions asked refund. And even if you just get bored listening to Milana and I, then guess what? You're entitled to a full, no questions asked refund. So check out the entire program today because there's absolutely no risk. You have nothing to lose and you have just ClickBank income streams to gain. Just go ahead and click the button below this video and you're going to gain immediate access to brand new, fully upgraded ClickBank University 2.0 courses, the weekly expert classes, the specially curated add-on crash courses, the weekly live Q&As with us, the CBU Toolkit, massive discounts on our favorite tools and services, the opportunity to join us at CBU live events for the fraction of the full price, and the private ClickBank University forum community. When you click the button below, you're going to be taken to a screen that looks like this. Simply fill in the form. It's totally secure with ClickBank's world-renowned encryption technology, and then you're going to end up at a page where you can access everything I told you about in this video.
A percentage of the revenue generated from enrollment of our members in ClickBank University will go directly to our sponsor charity, Pencils of Promise. Pencils of Promise believes that every child should have access to education. They create schools, programs, and global communities around the common goal of education for all. And we're so proud to support them here at ClickBank University. Now, you're not just investing in your future, but in the future of thousands of disadvantaged children at the same time. We want to help 1 million people like you reach their financial goals. We want to give continued support to Pencils of Promise and help you taste the freedom online success can bring. Are you beginning to see how you can build a great business and generate real wealth online? It all starts right here, right now. Yes, maybe you've been led down the wrong path before. You've been led astray by shiny objects pitched to you by unscrupulous marketers. It's not your fault, but it is your chance. It's your opportunity. Heck, it's your responsibility to make all of that change right now. Take ClickBank University for a 30-day test drive today. If you're not blown away by how easy it is to set up fresh new income streams day after day without needing to spend any money, then simply send an email requesting a full refund. No questions asked. You've got nothing to lose, but everything to gain.
Hit the button below and let's get started together. We look forward to seeing you inside the university. This is Milana, and I'm Justin, and we can't wait to hear your success story.